Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside your body when you drink a glass of apple juice? It looks innocent, but beneath the skin, a complex chain reaction begins immediately. First, the liquid rush hits your stomach. It doesn't just sit there, it's rapidly broken down. Watch as the intestines absorb these golden particles, vitamins and antioxidants flooding directly into your bloodstream. This is the gold zone. Your brain synapses fire up with new focus. Your muscles receive a surge of hydration and natural sugars. Your gut microbiome glows with activity. You feel revitalized, full of energy. But there is a hidden cost to this sweetness. Look closer at the bloodstream. That isn't just energy, it's a massive spike of glucose crystals. For the stomach lining, the high acidity can turn that healthy glow into red, irritated inflammation. And physics applies to biology, too. What goes up must come down. Once that sugar rush fades, your cells dim. The energy crashes, leaving you feeling more tired than before. Apple juice. It's nature's fuel, but without the fiber of the whole fruit, it's a sugar trap. Enjoy it, but drink with caution.